Here I have Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, and today I'm going to show you how to get iOS volume panel on this device. So as you can see, now I have like the standard Xiaomi volume panel here, but actually you can get the iOS one and have like volume panel in iOS or any other Android iPhone device. What you have to do is to just download Volume Styles, customize your volume panel slider application from the Play Store. Then you have to open it, tap Start. Then you have to enable accessibility services here. And as you can see, now here you can select yourself the iOS volume sliders. And as you can see, now I have the sliders like on iOS. Wow. All the buttons they work here. Pretty cool. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.